Hello everyone. Welcome to the video tutorial of Document Management System. Agenda. Today in this training video, we will learn about document actions in DMS. Although there are several document actions available, but in this session, we will specifically focus on undo checkout document action. Objectives. Objective of this training is to understand following. What does the undo checkout document action include? What impact does the undo checkout action have on the document? What is the purpose of using it? How they help in DMS working. Prerequisites. To perform this activity, the user must have a tenant account and admin role with organization access, along with DMS form access. Additionally, the document must be in the checkout stage. Document actions. These are the list of document actions available in DMS. First, details. Edit document. Checkout. Check-in. Undo checkout. Delete. Move document. Forward. Document access. Send email. Send email with QR code. Chat. Attachment. Subscribe, unsubscribe document. Copy document. Download. Workflow. Upload, or in document. Out document. Enable AI. These actions are visible based on the user's access. In this training video, I will cover the highlighted action, undo checkout. The undo checkout document action in a document management system, DMS, allows an authorized user to cancel a document to checkout status. When this action is performed, any uncommitted changes made during the checkout period are discarded, and the document is restored to its last checked-in version. The document then becomes available to other users for access or editing, ensuring version control, preventing accidental locks, and maintaining document integrity within the system. For example, an employee check out a contract to update pricing details. During the review, they realize the changes are incorrect or no longer needed. In this situation, the user can choose Undo Checkout action. This action cancels the checkout, discards all the changes made during that editing session, and restores the document to the last checked-in version. The document is then unlocked and becomes available for other users to view, check out, or edit, ensuring that only accurate and approved content remains in the system. Let us understand this in detail by navigating to the Onfinity system. Please log into system using tenant account and admin role with organization access. Once logged in, please open DMS web form from the menu. Click the Projects 2025 folder to navigate inside it. Then select the Contracts 2025 subfolder to view its documents. The disclosure agreement document is shown in the checked out state. The user clicks the three ellipses next to the disclosure agreement document. These are the document actions available in the DMS. When a document is in the checked out stage, the check-in and undo checkout actions are available. First, select the Details option from the action list to open the document details. As shown, the second version of the document is visible. Then click the three ellipses again to open the document actions and select Undo Checkout action from the list. By clicking Undo Checkout, the document is returned to the checked-in stage, and all changes made during the checkout stage are reversed. As shown in the document details, the second version is removed, confirming that all changes made in the second version have been discarded, and the document has been restored to its original state. Please note that if a document has only one version and is currently checked out, using the Undo Checkout action will remove the document from the document management system. So, in this video, we have covered the Undo Checkout document action, ensuring the document remains accurate, up to date, and available for other users to edit it. The remaining actions will be explained in upcoming videos. Thank you.